Welcome to Module 11. We're going to go over a couple in and out features that could get you if you're not aware of them. So as we showed you in the media pool, you can click on a clip in preview and choose some in and outs, whatever they might be, and we'll add one to this beach shot. So now we have in and out on these two clips. If we were to drag this down to the timeline and hit the first spot, we can see it's starting, excluding the slate, and ending where she walks off screen, just like we asked for. Now that might be useful in this case, and it might be for this beach shot we're looking for, all of the shot. If you're on an individual clip and you hit X, it'll clear your in and your out. If you wanted to clear all your in and outs on your clips, Command A to select them all. And if we hit X, and this is if you want to ensure all your clips in your media pool have the in and outs cleared, you hit Command A and then you hit Option X. And now you can see if we click on this clip, now we have full length, and same thing with the beach clip. So if you have in and out selected, obviously it's useful if you're trying to cut out slates and stuff you're not going to use, but if for some reason you think you're clearing everything out by hitting X, it'll do it on the single clip, but you have to go Command A, Option X to get rid of all your in and outs. Otherwise, you could be cutting your clips off and you might be scratching your head wondering why you're not seeing the full duration down on your timeline. I'll see you on the next module.